Hey there, fellow creators. Welcome back to Makes It with AI, your go-to destination for all things creative online. Today, we're diving into one of my favorite places online, the magical world of Creative Fabrica, a wonderful place where imagination knows no bounds. I'm your host, That AI Chick, and I'm thrilled to be your guide as we go on this exciting adventure. Now, before we delve into the nitty-gritty of Creative Fabrica, let's take a moment to appreciate the wonders of this platform. Picture a bustling marketplace teeming with fonts, graphics, illustrations, and templates, all waiting to inspire your next masterpiece. It's not just a website. It's a vibrant community where artists, designers, crafty people, and creators of all kinds come together to share their passion and creativity. So how can you unleash your creativity on Creative Fabrica? Actually, it's as easy as a few clicks of your mouse. First thing, you'll start by signing up for a free account and explore the endless array of digital assets at your fingertips. From elegant fonts to captivating graphics, you'll find just about everything and anything you might need to bring your ideas to life. But wait, there's more. Creative Fabrica offers more than just a marketplace. It's actually a huge library of resources to fuel your creative endeavors. When you become a member, you can definitely dive into as many of their tutorials, blog posts, video tutorials, and guides to help sharpen your skills as you'd like. Let's take a few minutes and just look at a little bit of what you can find inside here. From elegant scripts to modern sans serifs, you'll quickly discover a vast collection of fonts to add flair to all your designs. In their current collection of over 166,000 fonts of all shape, colors, and style, you're bound to find at least a few you can use. If you need PNGs, you might be here for a while. Their current library of transparent images, perfect for layering and creating eye-catching compositions, are easily in the millions. Their choice of graphics are vibrant and versatile, and will easily enhance your projects whether you need illustrations, coloring book items, patterns, logos, KDP, interiors, or something else. They also have many three-dimensional designs with stunning 3D models and assets if you need that. And Spark, all by itself, it is a complete family of products. Here you can easily ignite your creativity using any of the Spark products for art or writing. We will definitely do a whole video on just Spark by itself in the future. If crafts are your thing, then you'll be in heaven here. Get crafty with a wide range of crafting resources including SVG files, cutting files, and more. At the time of this recording, there were almost 211,000 craft items, from holidays to whatever you might need. It's probably already in here. There is a whole section dedicated to needleworking too. Unleash your inner seamstress with any of their amazing needlework designs and embroidery patterns. If you're into knitting, crochet, or embroidery, they have thousands of patterns in here for you to make your next piece of fabric art. Creative Fabrica has some of the best tools on the internet. Here you'll have access to a variety of tools and utilities to streamline your creative process and enhance your workflow. Inside the pod section, you can explore print-on-demand resources to create custom merchandise and products for your audience. There are over 6 million there now, as of this recording date. In the bundles section, you'll be able to find the best crafts, graphics, and font packages, all at a discounted price. These curated bundles of assets and resources were designed to spark your creativity and save you time and money. In the learning section, you can expand your skills and knowledge with all kinds of tutorials, courses, and guides covering a wide range of topics. Lastly, inside Studio, you can bring your ideas to life. This is a powerful design tool packed with features to help you create stunning graphics such as invitations, announcements, book covers, business cards, and lots more. Now that you've familiarized yourself with Creative Fabrica, it's time to roll up your sleeves and get creative. Whether you're designing a custom t-shirt, crafting a stunning logo, working on a book for KDP, or creating eye-catching social media graphics, Creative Fabrica probably has everything you need to bring your project to life. But remember, the key to success lies in experimentation and exploration. Don't be afraid to try new things, push the boundaries of your creativity, and most importantly, have fun along the way. With Creative Fabrica by your side, the possibilities are endless. Now, let's talk about finding the perfect fit for your design needs and budget. You're standing at a crossroads with two paths stretching out before you. On one side, you have Creative Fabrica's paid plans, offering a huge amount of high-quality resources and commercial licenses for your design projects. It's like having a magical toolbox filled with everything you need to bring your ideas to life. But what if you're just starting out or working with a limited budget? Don't worry. There's another path to explore, their free trial. While they don't currently offer a completely free plan with unlimited downloads, they do provide a 1-month free trial to help you get started on your creative journey. Here's what you can expect from the free trial. 10 free downloads. During the trial period, you can download up to 10 assets, whether it's fonts, graphics, or other design elements, all completely free of charge. After you've exhausted your 10 downloads or when the trial period ends, the trial automatically upgrades to a paid plan. At the time of this recording, the paid plan is priced at $9 per month, but they do have sales from time to time. But don't worry, if you need to, you can cancel the trial before the upgrade to avoid any charges. And there you have it, folks. A whirlwind tour of Creative Fabrica and all it has to offer. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a newcomer to the world of digital art, print on demand, KDP, or something else, Creative Fabrica provides the tools, resources, and community you need to thrive. So why wait? Dive in, explore, and let your artistic creativity soar. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Makes It with AI for more tips and tutorials on using technology to fuel your creativity. And don't forget to check out Creative Fabrica for yourself. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI.